Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. This is the solution for you if you are using or you need loads of AA batteries for your RC vehicles or any other devices. Normally we need to keep lots of standard batteries like this which are not rechargeable, and when they finish we need to get new ones, but this one is a 1.5 volts AA battery, 1200 milliamp hours, which is not 1.2 volts just like NIM batteries, because NIM batteries doesn't work well with the especially RC vehicle remote controllers, but this is 1.5 volts and rechargeable from the USB. So just plug it in, and in between 1 hour or 1 hour 20 minutes maybe, you have a fully charged AA battery. As you can see at the moment there is a red light, and when it's fully charged 100%, that light turns into green. So if you need one of these, 4 of these, 10 of these, I am just going to put the link into description. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.